While peanut butter is a good source of protein and contains several vitamins and minerals, consuming it every day may have some potential downsides. Here are some things to consider. 1. Weight gain. Peanut butter is high in calories and fat. If you consume it in large amounts without considering its caloric content, it could lead to weight gain. 2. Inflammation. In some sensitive people, eating peanut butter every day may have an inflammatory effect on the body. 3. Food intolerance. Consuming peanut butter too frequently might lead to the development of a food intolerance. 4. Unhealthy additives. Many brands add ingredients like sugar, vegetable oil, and trans fats that can reduce its nutritional value. 5. Blood sugar levels. It could potentially raise your blood sugar levels. If you enjoy peanut butter and want to include it in your diet, it's recommended to do so in moderation. Ingredients: peanut butter,